Hi, I'm Ajanta ma'am, your trusted English literature coach. Today we will dive into Sukumar Ray's The Power of Music, a humorous poem that exaggerates the so-called talent of Bhishma Lochan Sharma. Stay tuned as we uncover the key phrases, themes and literary devices to help you to shine in your ICSE board exams. This poem humorously narrates the story of Bhishma Lochan Sharma, a musician whose singing is described as so terrible that it drives both people and animals to misery. Sukumar Ray uses this satire to explore the themes of overconfidence, absurdity, and unintended effects of art. The key words and phrases with explanations. Bhishma Lochan Sharma. The name itself is comical, adding to the satirical touch to the character, and his name is ironic because Bhishma suggests grandeur while his music talent is anything but. Use this to discuss how Sukumar Ray uses irony to create humor. The next phrase, unimaginable genius. Bhishma Lochan Sharma considers himself as unparalleled musician, but this is far from the truth. The phrase mocks his inflated ego. Highlight how Ray uses exaggeration to critique self-delusion. People fled in terror. This hyperbolic line humorously describes how people react to his dreadful singing. Board hack. Mention this as an example of an overstatement which enhances the humor of the poem. Dogs howled and the cats shivered. Explanation. Even animals could not tolerate Bhishma Lochan Sharma's music. This line vividly portrays the universal suffering caused by his talent. Why it matters? Use this line to explain the poem's exaggerated imagery and its role in evoking laughter. Horns of buffaloes curled up. This absurd imagery shows the physical impact of Sharma's singing, making even buffaloes' horns react. Tip: analyze this as an example of absurd humor, a hallmark of Sukumar's writing. The heaven trembled. Sharma's music is described as having a cosmic effect, a ridiculous exaggeration that adds to the poem's humor. Tip: highlight this as an example of hyperbole and its role in satire. Satire, the poem is a satire on overconfidence because it mocks people who overestimate their abilities. Humor is through exaggeration. The poem uses hyperboles to turn a bad musician into a source of universal chaos and universal appeal of comedy. The humor is relatable, making the poem timeless. Did Bhishma Lochan Sharma story make you laugh? Think about it. If yes, subscribe and turn on notifications for more fun and exam-ready poetry breakdowns. Share your favorite line from The Power of Music in the comments below, and don't forget to share this video with classmates, and it's time to ace your ICC boards together. Thank you.